Good morning, friends. Welcome and welcome back to another video. My name is Cindy and I enjoy walking. I walk for my health and wellness, and I love to be outside and walk in the woods. It sets the tone for the rest of the day. It's very soothing and relaxing to me, and I hope it will be relaxing to you too. Like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so that way every time I upload a video, you get the notifications for my future uploads. And sometimes I even see deer and stuff, wild animals and junk. So I'm on this path right now where sometimes there's animals, there's deer that come around here. Let's see if I can sneak up on some and take you along with me on my journey through nature and the woods. So come on, come with me, sit back, relax, grab some coffee and a cozy blanket, and come with me on my walks. Come on, let's go. Sun's just coming up. I don't know how much I can sneak up on the deer with this crunchy snow. There's no way that I'm going to be sneaking up on any deer today. Not with the snow being this crunchy. There's no way I'm gonna sneak up on these guys. The snow is too freaking crunchy. They're probably long gone by now. They probably heard me a mile away, but we'll see. Let's go. We're to the end of this trail, to the snowmobile trail, the power lines. Let's see what I can see. Come on, let's go. Yup, just as I suspected, not one deer. I'm gonna walk down here and see if there's a spot down here that they like to go to at the top of this hill here. So I'm gonna go down here and see if they're down here. So hopefully I'm not too loud. The snow is so freaking crunchy. Yesterday we had a big snowstorm, and then some of it melted, and then last night was below freezing, so the snow is all mad crunchy. So we'll see what we can see. I gotta hurry up because I gotta go to church. Today is Sunday when I'm filming this, so let's go. Come on. They were here, just probably early this morning, and the snow was so crunchy I probably scared them all away. So I guess I'm gonna go back. I got skunked. Wah, wah, wah. Didn't see no deer. See, it's better when I start down there is North Howland, and there's a snowmobile trail. It starts there and you go the back way. It's better when you start that way because you kind of sneak up on them. Not today because the snow is so crunchy, but yeah, I've gotten some good video of some deer grazing, and the sun is coming out so nice. It's real pretty, but I guess I am going back. I'm not gonna go all the way to North Howland, so I hope everyone has a wonderful day and they are getting out and exploring everything and enjoying the sun. We have like a couple of days where it's gonna be sunny and then it's gonna be super rainy out. So I don't know when my next vlog is gonna be, but we'll see. I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so that way every time I upload a video, hopefully you'll get the notifications for my future uploads. And in the description down below is the links to all my socials. Go check me out. Like, share, comment, share this video, subscribe to the channel, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and I will see you on my next adventure.